Hello toppers, there is a good opportunity that in recent notification of CCRH we came to know that there is recruitment of research officers, mainly postgraduates of homeopathy. So let's see what are all the procedures and common rules. Name of post is research officer. Let's see the number of posts. There are total 21 and out of it for unreserved category it is 11 and for scheduled caste it is 3 and for scheduled tribe it is 1 and for OBC it is 4 and economically weaker section there are 2 and one post is reserved for physically handicapped candidate. So the level in the pay matrix is level 10 plus NPA. Then the age limit not exceeding 40 years. So let's see regarding the educational and other qualifications. First, MD in homeopathy from any recognized university included in the second schedule to Homeopathy Central Council Act 1973. Then enrollment on the state Central Register of CCH or State Register of Homeopathy. So if you want to know in detail, we have to check out in the website, and this is the website of CCRH, that is Central Council for Research in Homeopathy. So it's the timeline. Last date for the receipt of online application, be clear with this. It is on 8th November 2021. The payment for general OBC and EWS category, we have to pay 1000 during application, and if it is women category or SC, ST or physically handicapped category, there is no need to pay. Selection procedure, there are two, that is written test and interview. Written test is for 150 multiple choice question and each question will be carrying 1 mark, and for wrong answer we will be having negative marking of 0.25, and the examination duration is 2 hours and the language is English, and in case of interview the marks will be for 30. So still now we had seen lot of things related to research officer. So now let's see what are all the syllabus to be covered. First, subjects under BHMS, that is bachelor degree. Then common subjects of MD homeopathy. Then research methodology, research updates and biostatistics. And these are all the instructions for filling the online application form. If you have any doubt, you can check out the website directly and you can download the PDF. All the best toppers, mainly research officers of homeopathy, and thank you so much.